Oliver, and I am your teacher and friend. And I want to welcome you to Hello, my little kitties.
We are the kitties that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little ones. What a great day, my little kitties. We've come to the last of our learning with a great number of words that you have learned over the weeks. Each episode, we try to place a new list for you to learn. Now, we've come to the last part, and this will become the second part of the vocabulary review for you to learn. Now I know you can do it, my little kitties. You are such geniuses. As I said, you are my wordies. So, let's get into it. Make. M-A-K-E. Male. M-A-I-L. Made. M-A-D-E. Many. M-A-N-Y. More. M-O-R-E. Not. N-O-T. Name. N-A-M-E. New. N-E-W. Nice. N-I-C-E. Hour. O-U-R. Or. O-R. Other. O-T-H-E-R. One. O-N-E. Off. O-F-F. Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Phone. P-H-O-N-E. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. Quit. Q-U-I-T. Ride. R-I-D-E. Rain. R-A-I-N. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Really. R-E-A-L-L-Y. Said. S-A-I-D. Slow. S-L-O-W. Stop. S-T-O-P. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. C. S-E-E. Shook. S-H-O-O-K. Soil. S-O-I-L. Sports. S-P-O-R-T-S. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Trip. T-R-I-P. There. T-H-E-I-R. Two. T-W-O. Them. T-H-E-M. Van. T-H-A-N. Think. T-H-I-N-K. They. T-H-E-Y. Those. T-H-O-S-E. This. T-H-I-S. Thing. T-H-I-N-G. There. T-H-E-R-E. Two. T-O-O. Use. U-S-E. Very. V-E-R-Y. With. W-I-T-H. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Went. W-E-N-T. Who. W-H-O. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Right. W-R-I-T-E. What? W-H-A-T. Want. W-A-N-T. Was. W-A-S. With. W-I-T-H. Your. Y-O-U-R. My little kitties, you deserve a big hand for all that you've been through and learning all of these new words. You have a lot of heart. You are a great citizen. You are an achiever. You are the greatest of students. You are part of the Hello My Little Kitties Army. As a family of kitties, we have learned together. The words you have learned most kids learned in the year. Let's try to teach each other the words that we have learned. As your teacher, I am so very proud of you. I want to share a story with you. You see, most folks would never have believed that I will become a teacher to teach great learning students like you, because I have what some would call some disabilities. But I have proven them wrong. You can become whatever you want to become if you believe and work hard. I just want to thank you for being such great students and for giving me a dream that has come true. A special thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye, my little kitties. That's our show for today. Now go out and do something nice for someone else. Have a nice day, my little kitties.